Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. All right. Um, so, guys, happy new week. It's another Monday, another new week to start making profit. All right. So, if this is your first time joining my live stream, on this live stream, I analyze the market and I give out profitable scalping signals. So, what you're supposed to do is make sure you have a fund in your account. Make sure you have a real money. Okay. If you don't have a real money, go and make a deposit. And if you deposit on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. Okay, so I have a premium group where I give out even better signals, intraday signals. Okay, so I give at least 3 signals per day. I give market report and market analysis. All right. So to join my premium group, all you have to do is fund on this live stream. So to fund on the live stream, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So if you click on the banner, it will take you to where you can make a deposit. Okay, it will take you to the deposit page. So once you're on the deposit page, if you fund up to $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund up to $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to enjoy the benefit of having a live session with me. Okay, a private live session, just you and I. All right. So there I'll be able to teach you how, uh, to trade profitably, and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. So guys, go and fund your account. All right. So, um, yeah, if you have money in your account, then follow me. Let's dive into the chat. Let's see what's going on. All right. Okay, so we are currently on XAUUSD, which is gold. This is the gold market. All right. So I've made this analysis and I've shared the market analysis with the BtcDana group. So right now, what this market is telling us is it's going to continue to go down for a while. All right. It's going to continue to go down for a while because as you can see here, here we have this previous movement. All right. So the market was coming down, but when it got to this zone, we have a liquidity pool here. The market came, took out the liquidity around this zone. So here now has turned to our order block, okay, which means when the market retraces back to this level, there's high probability that it's going to sell. All right. And what happened? When the market got there, what happened? The market started selling. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. Imagine we took this sell from here. All right. We would have made a huge amount of profit. Right. Okay. All right. So aside that, we also have the lower trend line. Okay, we also have the lower trend line. See, so the trend line is currently respecting our zone here. See, it broke below it before, came back to this level to make a retest, and right now is breaking below it again for the second time. Okay. So all these are suggesting to us that the market is going to go bearish. Okay. And the market is going to go down. All right. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get an early entry opportunity. All right. Let's go to 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes time frame, as you can see, we had this liquidity taken out. We had this liquidity taken out. Right. We had the market, see. So the market came back to this area, and then the market went down. Okay. Market keep going down until this level where we had another break of structure. So here we have a break of structure to the downside. All right, so what I'm doing here is just trying to break these markets down. Okay, just trying to break this market down to see if we can get entry opportunity from here. So we didn't catch this move early. Let's go down further. Okay. So we didn't catch this move early. If we had, our entry would have been from this level. Okay, our entry would have been from this level, right? So we would have entered from here. Our stop loss would have been here, the previous high, take profit, recent low, you see, and we would have made profit, huge profit. Okay, but since we didn't catch that early, uh, let's look for the next potential yeah, entry. Okay, next potential opportunity. All right, so we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if this market is going to come back into our zone here. So once the market gets in and the traces, rejects this zone, then we are going to place a sell trade. Right. Right. So I want this market to come back into this zone, though it's already rejecting the fair value gap zone. Okay, we have the fair value gap here. So we had the fair value gap there, and the market took it out. So I want this market to, you know, uh, come into this other block. So once we have the market testing the other block and then giving us a rejection candle, then we take our sell trade. Okay. All right. So here we have our first analysis on XAU USD 3 minutes time frame. Since the market hasn't triggered, I suggest we should just continue making more analysis. Okay. All right. So let's start our analysis from the higher time frame as usual. So here we have BTC USDT. BTC USDT. All right. So this is the analysis on BTC USDT. Um, this is the 15 minutes time frame. And right now, as we saw on the 1 hour time frame, the market has hit a high, okay, a previous high where we had another block, a resistance zone to be precise, and the market um, is currently printing bearish candles, okay. But before we can take this entry, we need the market to give us more confirmations, okay, because the market can still reverse from anywhere around this zone. So the confirmation I'm looking out for here is for the market to come down below this level, okay, where I labeled CH, right? Below this level where I labeled CH, which is my change of character. So once the market goes below it, then I will then look for a retracement to this area to sell to the downside, okay? So this is an analysis we can keep an eye out for, all right? But right now, the opportunity is not providing itself, okay? So if I want to take this trade right now, it's not as if we can't take this trade actually, but the market, this is a crypto instrument, and as we all know, crypto instruments are very volatile. So our stop loss is going to be here because we're going to be taking this trade from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so our stop loss will be above this level. Our take profit will be uh, probably on this low. This is the recent low. Okay, on this low, let's say here. All right. So even though we are going to make profit, if the market goes here, it's still not suitable for smaller accounts, okay? Because sometimes the market would give us some drawdowns, little drawdown before going to the predicted direction. So if you have a small account, let's say an account of $10, and the market, start printing bullish candle from here, the market will not even get to this point before it exhausts your $10, right? So that is why anytime I'm looking for opportunity on the BTC crypto instruments, I'm always careful. I want us to take entry from the lower time frame. I want us to enter from 1 minute, 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay. So once it's getting to 15 minutes, I leave the market because the stop loss is not going to be suitable for for you that have smaller accounts. Okay. So this is the analysis on BTC USDT. All right. So as you can see, the market is facing down, which means it's going to sell for a while. Right? But we need confirmation before we take entry. Yeah. And the entry and the confirmation is for the market to go below this level where I labeled CH. Okay. So once the market goes below it, I'll then be looking for patterns. Okay. Retracement, rejection, whatever pattern, right? Patterns that indicate market reversal. So once I get the pattern, I'm taking my sell trade. All right. So you can take a screenshot of what I've done here. Okay. You can take a screenshot. Just try doing this on your chart. So once you have the confirmation, you can place the trade also. Okay. Okay. All right. So we have analysis on BTC USDT. All right. Let's go back to XAU USD. Let's see if our okay. So the market is currently approaching our entry point, right? Let's go to the 3 minutes time frame so we can get a better view for this. So you see the market is approaching our entry point right now. All right, so it's approaching our entry point. So let's see what happens at the end of this current candle. All right, so the market, the entry point is still not yet triggered. All right, so I want the market to get to this point. All right, so this is what I'm expecting the market to do. I want the market to come to this level, trigger here, and then once the market gives a rejection pattern, okay, a reversal pattern from this level, we are going to take our sell from here, okay, and then we continue to ride it to the downside to at least this level, right? So we are currently on the 3 minutes time frame, and we have about 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right. So I think we should wait for this current candle to finish printing. let's see if it's gonna give us the entry opportunity we hoped for. All right. So guys, remember to join my premium group. You have to click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay. If you click on the banner, um, it will take you to the deposit page. So if you deposit $10 on your account, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 and above, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit $200 and above, you'll be eligible to join the premium group, my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to enjoy a one-on-one session, okay? A private session, where we would discuss about um, strategies to become a profitable forex trader. Okay, and if you are just starting out, you don't know how to trade at all, I will gladly teach you how to, start your forex journey. So, and the beautiful thing about this is whatever amount you fund on my live stream here, if you click on the banner and it take you to the deposit page, so whatever you fund is going into your trading account. Okay, so everything I've mentioned is free. Okay, so you get to enjoy them for free, right? But in order for me to know that you want to join my premium group, you have to click on the banner and then fund your account. All right, so that is so the only way you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right, so the previous candle ended and we're still not getting the confirmation. The market is raging around this level. Okay, so I think we should you know proceed to the next instrument. All right, so just that the market is close to our entry point, and the market can just trigger immediately we take our eyes off this. All right, I don't want to take my entry from here just because the market is rejecting this level. As you can see, the market keeps rejecting, but is going up and down on this zone, right? So what the market is doing right now is it's creating liquidity pool. Okay, so I don't want to go into using terms that the newbies will not be able to understand. Okay, but the market is trying to create what we call liquidity pool around this area. So once the market finish creating the liquidity pool, it's just going to take out the liquidity and then reverses to the downside. Okay, so there's no simpler explanation to this, but if you join my premium group by funding at least $200, where we get to have a one-on-one session, I'll be able to break this down for you. Okay, how to get entries on the lower time frame. All right, so you don't have to stay on the chart all day looking for entry opportunity. You can just come to your 1 hour 1 minute time frame, just stay for like, let's say, 30 minutes, and then you already got an entry opportunity. Yeah, it's possible. Okay, very, very possible. All right, so but to get the knowledge, you have to fund your account on this live stream. If you fund $10, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. So for that 2 weeks, you'll be added to the premium group where you'll be getting market analysis, market uh, uh, but you'll be in the premium group for 1 month, 30 days. All right. Sorry for the break in communication. So, as I was saying, if you deposit up to $200, then you get to enjoy the benefit I've listed out earlier. You also get to, have a one-on-one session with me, a live private trading session. All right. So let's look at another instrument since the opportunity we are waiting for on the XAU USD is not happening anytime soon. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the 5 minutes time frame, and you see the long candle that has been created on the 5 minutes. So let's continue. Let's make more analysis. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. So here on Ethereum USDT, let's start our analysis from the higher time frame. Let's say the 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, I'm currently on 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, so here we have the market on uptrend. As you can see, the market is on uptrend, just as we have it on BTC USDT. All right. So we have this level where the market is currently approaching. Okay, so what do we have? What do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, so we have this fair value gap, and the market is approaching the fair value gap. So once the market get to this point, you see, it aligns well with our lower trend line channel. So when the market get to this point, this is what I expect the market to do, right? So we have this low, okay. This is the 30 minutes time frame. We can set a buy limit on this trade, Ethereum USDT, okay, because the analysis we got here is, all right, so this seems like the market is going to be a good one. Let me just continue with the analysis. All right, let's see what I end up with. And if this is a good entry, we can set a pending order here. Okay, so this would be our first take profit around here. Then our second take profit will be probably here, where we have the market rejecting a previous fair value gap. Right? Okay, so let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's go check the market from the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have another block, a previous resistance. The market broke to the upside. All right. So we have the previous resistance zone. The market broke to the upside. So when the market broke of this resistance zone, what happened? You see, the market hasn't properly retested it. Okay. So this is from the point of price action. The analysis I made earlier is combination of price action and SMC. Okay. So from price action point of view, you see it also aligned with our previous analysis. Okay, which means this level is a confirmed reversal level. Okay, so the probability of the market buying from here is, let's say, about 90%. Right. So guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to set a buy limit on this trade. We're going to set a buy limit. Once the market get to this point, it's going to buy. Right. So if you don't know how to set a buy limit, just go to your BtcDana trading app. Let me walk you through it. USDT. Okay, this is the one of the crypto instruments, right? And cryptos are very volatile. So this is our entry price. If you know how to set this, you can, you can proceed. Just enter them as I paste them here. Okay. Enter the price. All right. So let's see where we can have our first take profit level. Okay. I think this is enough for our first take profit. All right. So here we have our TP1. Okay. So for you that get this confused, TP1 and TP2 are not the same. Okay. So there are options in case you want to use either the TP1 or the TP2. Now, the advantage of TP1 is the market will get to your TP early, and for TP2, it will take some times, okay, because you are increasing your take profit level. You see, this is the market. We are expecting a buy market from here, and we are saying when the market get to this point, we want the market to give us profit, our first profit from here. You see, so if I want to create a TP2 now, I have to drag this to the upside, okay, which means the market need to buy to this level before I can get my TP2 profit. All right. So what I do is I love using TP1 because it hit my take profit level immediately, faster rather. Okay, it hit my take profit level faster than the TP2. Then we have the SL, which is our stop loss. So in case the market doesn't go as predicted, we have our stop loss. So our stop loss is just right below this high, sorry, this low. Okay, our previous low. So in case the market decides to come to this level where we have the previous low, you see, I make sure that the market, our stop loss is few pips below it. Okay, few pips below the low. This is our low, and you see the market is few pips below it. Right. All right. So now that we have our take profit, our entry point, Okay. All right. So in case you don't know how to set a pending order, all right. So go to market and search for Ethereum USDT. Okay. So once you are on the Ethereum USDT chart, click on buy. All right. So when you click on buy, you see it's currently on position. All right. Choose the second option, pending order. So when you click on pending order, you see where it says enter price. Okay, enter this. Okay, where it says enter price, enter this 3400.74. And then click on the button in front of your SL and TP. Right? So you can use